Salve a tutti ragazzi, bentornati su Five Nights at Freddy's. Adesso giocheremo al Sister Location. Facciamo un new game. Ok, ho cliccato. Non sta succedendo niente. Oh. Che succede? Perché si spende la visuale? Ah, che posso...
Welcome to the first day of your exciting new career.
Ah raga, comunque una cosa vi voglio dire. Cioè, non per scherzare, ho installato Five Nights at Freddy's 1.
I will be your personal guide to help you get started. I'm a Model 5 of the Handyman's Robotics and Unit Repair System, but you can call me Handy Unit. Please enter your name as seen above the keypad. This cannot be changed later, so please be careful. It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. One moment. Welcome, Eggs Benedict.
Come si fa con questo? Egg Benedetto. Uovo Benedetto. Che bel nome che mi hai dato, Uno migliore te lo potevi prendere. Cioè, potevi darmelo. Sono sti qua. Non si aperte. Bella musica. Madonna, che rottura di palme.
You can now open the elevator using that right, red, and obvious button. Allow me to fill this somewhat frightening silence with some light-hearted banter. Due to the massive success and even more so the unfortunate closing of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, it was clear that the stage was set, no pun intended, for another contender in children's entertainment. Unlike most entertainment venues, our robotic entertainers are rented out for private parties during the day. And it's your job to get the robots back in proper working order before the following morning. You are now in the primary control module. View the window to your left. This is the Ballora Gallery Party Room and Dance Studio. Let's turn on the light and see if Ballora is on stage. Press the blue button on the elevated keypad to your left.
Comunque, ovviamente questo spiega. Che faccio qua?
Uh-oh, it looks like Ballora doesn't feel like dancing. Let's give her some motivation. Press the red button now to administer a controlled shock. Maybe that will put the spring back in her step.
Ma perché ci gioco? Oddio.
Let's check the light again.
Oddio, che cazzo è quello?
Excellent. Ballora is feeling like her old self again and will be ready to perform again tomorrow. Now view the window to your right. This is the Funtime Auditorium, where Funtime Foxy encourages kids to play and share. Try the light. Let's see what Funtime Foxy is up to.
Che devo fare? Forse devo premere questo. No, questo è fatto. Ah, la luce.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is taking the day off.
Foxy, allora
Let's motivate Funtime Foxy with a controlled shock.
Nightmare Foxy. Poi ah, oddio, ma chi è quel bambino? Oddio, raga. Chi è quel bambino? Io ho visto un bambino.
Let's try another controlled shock.
Oddio! No.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is in perfect working order. Great job. In front of you is another vent shaft. Crawl through it to reach the Circus Gallery control module.
Zitto.
On the other side of the glass is Circus Baby's auditorium. Let's check the light and see what Baby is up to.
Sentito rumore.
Looks like a few of the lights are out, but we can fix that later. Let's encourage Baby to cheer up with a controlled shock.